Hey everyone, welcome to the online session of Manu Law Classes. My name is Brijesh, I'm the English faculty at Manu Law Classes. In today's session, I'm going to teach you 5 words which have been taken from the Hindu newspaper. So let's get started. The first one in the list is converge. Converge means to come together from different places to meet at one point. Basically, it can be substituted with gathered. For example, family members converged in the hall to say goodbye after the wedding. So what happened? Basically, they collected at one place, they gathered at one place. Another example is traffic is heavy where two metros converge. So if you are in Delhi, you know how conversion or this converge happens when the two metros meet at one place, specifically in Rajiv Chowk. Synonyms are intersect and connect, and antonyms are disperse and scattered. The next word in the list is alleviation. To alleviate means किसी pain को कम करना. What happens when you have severe headache and you take a painkiller? So basically it alleviates your pain. So to make something less painful, severe or serious. For example, you may take an aspirin to alleviate your headache. Analgesic लेकर हम अपने pain को कम करते हैं. Another example is if you want to alleviate the situation, start by apologizing for your mistakes. So किसी भी situation को भी alleviate किया जा सकता है being polite. Synonyms are comfort and easement. Antonyms are aggravate and exacerbate. The next word in the list is legitimacy. So legitimate means something which is legal, quality of being correct or right. Illegitimate means something which is not right. Okay. For example, the scientist questioned the legitimacy of the experiment results and decided to redo the test. Okay, so there was some kind of experiment going on, but it was questioned by scientists, and that is why redone has to be done. Okay, another example is during the trial, the legitimacy of the susceptible's alibi was called into question. So alibi means someone who is ready to help, a friend. So during the trial, कोई trial चल रहा है, during the trial the legitimacy of the suspect, मतलब कोई suspect है, उसके alibi का question means cross होना है. Synonyms are validity and antonyms are legitimacy, illegitimacy and unlawfulness. The next word in the list is reparation. Reparation is something done or paid in expiation of some wrong, right? So compensation can be interchangeable with reparation. For example, although monetary reparation means monetary compensation will help the medical bills, it's little compensation for the long-term pain and suffering caused by the drunk driver. So drunk driver basically kill people, so even though you pay money in to reciprocate, but it is not done to that extent, right? Another example is ऑफेंडर्स मस्ट रिपार्शन फॉर देयर क्राइम्स थ्रू कम्युनिटी सर्विस. मतलब बोल रहे हैं कि कोई ऑफेंडर है, किसी भी तरह का कोई जो क्रिमिनल है, उसको क्या करना चाहिए, जब वो छूट जाए बेसिकली उसे रिपार्शन करना चाहिए कम्युनिटी को सर्विस देकर. ठीक है. सो सिनोनिम्स आर कंपनसेशन एंड रेस्टिट्यूशन एंड एंटोनिम्स आर एक्सटॉर्शन एंड सिंपैथी. द लास्ट वर्ड इन द लिस्ट इज इनएक्सप्लिकेबल. something which cannot be explained, incapable of being explained or interpreted. There are so many theories which cannot be easily explained, phenomena of God, and there are so many things that is inexplicable, right? Because the weather was clear and sunny a few moments ago, the sudden thunderstorm is inexplicable. It's quite easy. Another example is when I entered the abundant house, an inexplicable feeling of fear made me tremble. So कभी कभी होता है ना कि आप किसी पुराने से घर में जा रहे हो, वहां पे एक अजीब सा भय होता है ना. सो ऐसा भय जिसे एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया जा सकता. Synonyms are unexplainable. So inexplicable और unexplainable both are similar. Incomprehensible मतलब जिसे comprehend नहीं किया जा सके. Comprehensible and understandable both are the antonym of the word inexplicable. So let us redo the words that we have done today. The first word in the list is converge, means to gather at a one place. Alleviation means to soothe a pain basically. Legitimacy means something which is right. Reparation is kind of compensation, restitution. Inexplicable means something which cannot be explained. I hope you have understood all the words discussed in this video. Do make a note and keep them ready for the examination. Keep a revision after the interval of 10 days and make sure that you are revising them to the extent that it goes to your subconscious mind. I hope you will do it. All the best. Thank you.